All right, everybody. This is an update. It's January 20th. It's a Wednesday. It's inauguration day. Just to put everything in perspective, we've got two people here, the cabinet guys, Mike and EJ, or Eric James, and we have Kevin, who's the finish carpenter. Actually, Mike is a finish carpenter as well, but he's doing the cabinet install. And the cabinets are very unique. They're made by a company called Ikea. I call them my European cabinets. It's about 15 degrees outside. And here's the initial 2 days worth of work of installing cabinets. This is actually day 3, but we won't give them credit for that. This is going to be a serving counter here. It's got all the power. It'll allow people to put stuff up here. Pantry's going to go here. Kitchen is just starting to be developed. And what is interesting, and I'm going to point out to people who've done cabinets before, that's the item that holds the cabinets on the wall. And then it has a little plastic piece here, which keeps it even. This is unique from what I know about to IKEA cabinets. They literally hang on the walls. And just to remind everybody, there's LVL lumber in the framing, which is very manufactured, straight, perfect walls so that it's plumb and everything looks good. More cabinets, taking care of it here. Now, the installer, Mike, does the work you're seeing. He's the installer. And IKEA cabinets come in parts. Everybody knows that about IKEA. And this stuff is so solid. Oh my God. Unlike the perception that people have of IKEA cabinets of being wimpy and weird, this stuff is solid. Oh God. I mean, I can't move it. Maybe I shouldn't be trying, but I can't. So now we go into the garage and we will see EJ off in the distance doing assembly. They've lined up all of the supplies from IKEA against the wall. And it's fun watching EJ do his work because he's like a machine. He just does it. He knows the bits, the pieces, and people always ask me, why didn't I assemble my own cabinets? Because I'm not crazy. And he can just do it without thinking. I would spend hours and hours on one cabinet. He can just bang them out literally in no time at all. Now, all of this here is for Kevin, the finish carpenter. He's got doors, he's got trim pieces, he's got shims, he's got all the stuff that he needs. Here are the doors. I just got through talking to Kevin, and we talked about security concerns, i.e. strengthening the doors. I consider that door on the back, this door, and the front door to be all the same in terms of security needs. They're all going to be monitored. They're all going to have as strong a frame as possible. I'm a bad boy. I leave the door open occasionally because I want to give these guys fresh air. Don't want to freeze them, but hey, they're used to working. So just a little quick walkthrough. Music is off because I don't want YouTube to do a copyright infringement on me. There's a door. This is Kevin's work area. I bought some stuff to provide security to the doors, but it's the wrong size. Such is life. Yeah, door. Yeah. Another door. Door. Oh, this is the pocket door. Yes, goes in there for the closet. Oh, yes. And although you can't see it, we are not producing any heat into the floor. It's a little hard to appreciate when it's this dark, but the modulation is 0. I think it's just fired up. It may be producing some heat soon because I opened up the outside doors. So that's about it. Yeah. Looking good. Getting all the work done. Mike, the cabinet guy, is putting on some lights. Very cool. And there's the laser that I was pointing out. It has this mounting bracket, so it's nice and level. I assume that's nothing unique to carpenters, but it's the first time I've ever seen it. And this is obviously the mudroom. It's got the mounting bracket up there. So things are going along well. I'm pleased. More doors. You can see these are meant for this closet. They're sliding doors. It's too small of a room to actually have doors that open and close or bifolds. So I chose those doors. This is the door for here. And to remind everybody, they are 36-inch doors, which is pretty big because you want to be able to get in and out should you need that extra space. So I hope everybody's doing well. This place is getting dirtier by the minute. My general contractor, Lance, said, yep, that's normal. Yeah. Oh God, the sun's out. What is it, 11 o'clock? Yeah, I'm thinking it's 11 o'clock. You do notice that the sundial effect, the sun is slowly retreating as designed. And did you know in January, you gain about 90 seconds of daylight every day, and then in February, you gain 2 minutes of time every day. So in January, we'll gain about 45 minutes of daylight time. And in February, we'll gain 2 times 30 roughly. Actually, February is not 30 days long, if I remember correctly. So we'll get about 60 more minutes of daylight. God, I love the sun. This is obviously all the electrical, the lights, etc. And next week, the electrician's showing up. So I will pre-position the lights close to where they're going to be used. For example, that fan will be next to this spot where there will be a fan. Same thing at each bedroom. There's 4 fans, so each bedroom gets a fan. There are 3 bedrooms. 1 fan in here in the dining room. Yeah, and then the rest of the lights, I'm gonna have to open them up and review in my own mind exactly where some of these lights go. It's been months since I purchased them, and the end result is sometimes I forget. So I hope everybody's doing well. It's 15 degrees outside. It's sunny. It snowed yesterday, which is why there's this nice cool dusting. The wind's coming out of the southwest, which generally tends to be the warmer direction of weather. But with it being this cold, 15 degrees, it's cold out here. And I'm not wearing enough clothing to be standing out here, so I'm gonna step back. So I love you all. I hope you're having a good time. Take care, and I'll talk to you later.